Hi guys! I'm Tado. I'm here in Luneta Park, Philippines. On my background is where Jose Rizal was gunned down by the Spaniard. Jose Rizal was our hero. That man is guarding Jose Rizal for life so that Jose Rizal cannot escape. I think that man is Ilocano with guns, long guns. Long time ago, Jose Rizal was also in prison. So let's get to know some prisoners. Hi guys, I'm Tado. On my background is the new Bilibid prison. Let's get to know the prisoner. Let's check it out. This is the first gate in New Bilibid prison. Only the gate guards on duty are authorized to touch the gate. See? I'm not touching the gate. I'm not touching the gate. See? On my background is a Maximum Tennis Club. It's an exclusive club here in Muntinlupa. First, if you want to be a member, you will have to be convicted first. Here in New Bilibid prison, their favorite color is orange. See? This guy is a member of a basketball team, orange team.
Hinebra ang ala ko.
Hinebra ang iniinom nyo.
Oo, yung patang hinebra. Huwag sinabasa kayo!
Bawal umistambay dito. We have rules. We are law-abiding citizen here.
Ang pinakamataas, mayroon kaming tinatawag dito na busyo.
Busyo.
O commander sa English. Tumatanaw, tumitingin sa kanyang nasasakupan.
Ano yun? Sino maging bosyo? Tataas kamay, ganon? Paano ba yan?
Mayroon ding butuhan.
Anong kaso nyo, sir?
Robbery with homicide. With homicide.
Robbery. Tado, no money.
No money.
No money. Alright.
Ang mayor naman, ang mayor tumatanaw rin sa ikabubuti ng kanyang samahan.
So dalawa na yung tumatanaw?
Oo. Ang vice mayor, ganun pa rin.
So, tatlo na yung tumatanaw?
Tatlo na.
Anong sunod sa vice mayor?
Tawag na
Jury. Sir, ba't bukas zipper mo?
Oh. Kumbaga sa Senado, yung tawag mga senador.
So hindi na siya tumatanaw. Bawal magkalat, bawal dumura, bawal magtapon ng chewing gum.
Batas ng bureau tsaka batas ng pangkat.
If they buy chewing gum here, they will swallow it. Yeah, really? Bakit kayo nagji-gym? Pagdating sa riot, solid.
Nung panahon, pwede yun. Pero ngayon, wala na. Nasa bagong teknolohiya na tayo ngayon.
Anong sunod sa jury?
Chief Banday Pinto.
Chief
Bastonero.
Chief Bantay Pinto, Bastonero.
Sino yung lumalabas na sa nasakupan ng kanyang pangkat, kailangan magpa-in out. Mayroon siyang mga tao rin.
May baston, wala.
May baston yun. Ayon sa bawat pangkat, mayroong Magna Carta.
Nagnakaw ng toothpaste, ilang palo yun?
5 palo.
Yun yung tinatawag na iba, takal.
Takal.
Here in New Bilibid Prison, they have the alternative learning system where they can learn the system in alternative way. Ano sunod sa Chief Bastonero, Bantay Pinto?
Kulturero.
Ano ba ginagawa, sir, ng kulturero?
Siyempre, bilang yung mga tao.
Isa rin tumatanaw sa kanyang nasasakupan.
So, pito na yung tumatanap.
Ang kulturero, mayroong minarya. Siya ang tagalista sa
Tagalista.
record.
So, 8 na yung tumatanaw. For 2,000 pesos, you can tattoo your name in this man. As a sign of our friendship, he tattooed my name on his body. For that, I will give my friend 20 pesos. Yung mga katungkulan ba yan? May sweldo?
Wala naman.
Aspir. Wala bang bantay kusina? In 7-Eleven, the price of C2 Big is 45. Here, you can buy it for only 38 pesos. See? Come on! Go to New Bilibid Prison and buy some C2. Every Saturday in Plaza, they have a movie here. So, magkano yung popcorn yung ganyan? Wow! 10 pesos! Rancho, pay as you order. Popcorn and everything else. Very refreshing. C2 in New Bilibid Prison. Bye now. Say hi, guys. Hi! People here enjoy their lives. They must enjoy. Rapid hold up. Anong kaso mo? Murder. 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 Ito, anak mo. Hindi mo kalaban yan. Dalaw. Ano-ano ba yung mga pangkat dito?
Maraming. Bumubuo ito sa 12. Sputnik, Komando, GIG, Genuine Ilocano Gang, BNG, Bahala na Gang.
Ay, meron sa amin, BWG. Batang Walang Galang.
Happy Gulaki, BSL, BRM, BIM, Batang Mindanao. Basta marami.
Napusuan ko BCJ. Kasi marami sa amin sa Tondo for BCJ.
Baga, parang pag-ibig.
Oh, kung napusuan mo, andang pumatay, andang mamatay. Bata si TJ.
Pero nasa puso dapat.
Sa puso.
Andang mamatay. Andang pumatay. Dapat nasa puso. This is the main transport in New Bilibid Prison. They call this pot-pot. This is very elegant design while the passenger is in the front and the driver is on the back pedaling, you know. Oh, see that? We call this air continuous so that the air is continuous flowing. Only here in New Bilibid Prison, Batang City Jail territory. Alright.
So meron siyang grupo ngayon dito, yung Robin Padilla Troop Secret Service Stuntman.
Eh paano to? Pinaalam na natin so hindi na to secret. Eh to, God bless you. Samahan din yan.
Hindi, yun ay pasasalamat sa... Katulad, kausap kita, God bless you. Bali, ang member namin dito, 40. So ang binabago po namin dito, matuto yung mga bata ng martial arts, self-defense, ng libre. Sa larangan ng pinikula, makakita din ng mga magulang nila na pwedeng isabak.
Please don't try this at home. You try this in New Bilibid Prison, Muntinlupa. Kahit may pangkat-pangkat, tropa lahat. Come here and join the club. Yeah.